Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to reset Twitter account password if forgot password. So for that, open the Twitter application. You will be directed to the home page. Tap on login. On the login page, you need to tap on forgot password. Tap that. It will direct you to the process of recovering your account just when you forgot your account password. First of all, Twitter will ask you to type in your account details, that is the either phone number, email address or username. Type in the details. Then you will be asked how do you want to reset your password. For that, you tap on the email information code to the email address of yours. You tap on the circle dot, choosing the option and then tap on next. Then you will be directed to this page where you will need to check for the code in your Gmail. Tap open Gmail. There's the Twitter mail. Click open that. Now here's the code. You need to copy this code from here. Tap on copy and paste it over here on the text box. Tap on paste and then verify. This will verify your Twitter account, giving you the option to provide a new password. Now type in the new password over here. Retype the same password for the confirmation. The password must be same. Once it's done, you tap on reset password. Why did you change your password? Tap on I forgot my password and then tap on next. With this, the recovery process of changing your password when you forgot your previous one is completed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.